How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm installing bonnet razors on my Honda Civic EJ9. So they're from Exoracing. I ordered my last ones from there. They were so good, so I had to order them again for the EJ9. So with the EJ9 I'm going for a purple and gold theme. So I've got some gold ones, if you can see. It's starting to rain, so I'm going to get to my unit and I'll join you guys then. So guys, I'm here at the EJ9 now. This is what it looks like without the bonnet razors. If you've seen my EG bonnet razors video, it's exactly the same as that, the fitting. So I'm literally next to EJ9. I've got him right here. Let's fit him. So the first you need is a 10mm. Right, so this just happened. I was loosening the bolts on this side and that side just fell down. So luckily it's not smashed anything. The windscreen's all good. Very, very lucky. Luckily that stayed in. Wow, what the hell. Right, so after that little mishap, I've managed to get this side in. Got the help of the aim car coding boys. Just needed I needed another person to hold the bonnet. It requires 2 people. Yeah, but this is it. Looks so nice. Now we've just got that side to do. If you want to see how it actually gets put in the top left or top right corner, I can't remember which. I'll link my EG one where I'll show how you fit it. So I'm just gonna fit this one, and I'll join you guys once it's done. Right guys, so both the sides are on. Moment of truth now. Just gonna lower the bonnet. Yeah, so it's raised. Don't know how well you can see him inside there. It does look good with the purple and the gold. So that's the colour theme I'm going for. So purple and gold is the colour theme I'm going for. Like a Cadbury chocolate basically. That's what I'm going to be going for. So check out Exoracing. The details will be in the description below. Follow my Instagram, it'll be on the screen. Once again, check out aim car coding, because they helped out. I was in trouble if they didn't come. So yeah, so check them out. Exoracing, all the details will be in the description, and follow my Instagram. I shall see you guys in the next one.